In this video, I'll show you how to add rectangles in Google Slides. Adding a rectangle in Google Slides is very simple, and once it's on the slide, you can move it, resize it, change the color, add a border, or even turn it into a text box style design. Google's official Slides help says shapes are added from the Insert menu, and after that, you can arrange or format them however you want. First, open your presentation in Google Slides on your computer and go to the slide where you want the rectangle to appear, then click Insert at the top, choose Shape, go to the Shapes category, and select the rectangle you want. Google groups shapes under the Insert menu, and rectangles are part of that built-in Shape tool. After you select the rectangle, your cursor changes so you can draw it on the slide. Click and drag to create the size you want. If the rectangle is not the right size at first, don't worry. Once it's on the slide, you can click it and drag the blue handles to make it larger or smaller. Google also says objects in slides can be resized and repositioned after they are added. Now let's make it look the way you want. When the rectangle is selected, use the toolbar to change the fill color, border weight, or other formatting options. This is useful if you want a solid colored box, a transparent outline, or a banner-style shape behind text. Google's Slides help also notes that inserted objects can be arranged and formatted, and the Arrange menu lets you control alignment and order. If you want the rectangle behind text or another object, click the rectangle, then go to Arrange and change the order so it moves behind or in front of other elements. Google says the Arrange menu lets you place objects behind or in front of other objects, and it also supports alignment and distribution when you are working with more than one shape. You can also use rectangles in a few creative ways. For example, you can place one behind a heading to make a title banner, use a thin rectangle as a divider line, or create a transparent rectangle with only a border to frame content on the slide. So the steps are simple. Open your slide, click Insert, choose Shape, select a rectangle, draw it on the slide, and then format it the way you want. That's how to add rectangles in Google Slides. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.